In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use free Google AI tools to write, research, optimize, and rank your blog post in 2026 and beyond. So first, head over to aistudio.google.com. There's a suite of free AI tools in which you can use. So if we first head over to the AI Studio and we look onto the right-hand side here, we can click on the models. As you can see, there's a completely new model from Gemini, which is Gemini 3 Pro. And we can use the preview mode for completely free. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that mode. We can toggle high or low thinking. We can choose if we like structured outputs, grounding with Google search. So that means it will actually use Google search to enhance the content. And we can add some other options there. But for now, I'm just going to keep it as it is. I'm going to paste in one of my old prompts that I've been using to generate SEO optimized content. How to make money online in 2026. Aim for 3,500 words, and I'm going to run this. Now, Google's AI Studio is really good because there's a couple of different free tools in which you can use. This is Gemini 3. You also have the ability to use Nano, which is their Google's AI text-to-image model. And as you can see, they're pretty good. You do have to have a paid account to use Nano, but you can use the free version, so not the non-pro version, for completely free. So for example, it's been selected, so I can tell it to create. So I've told it to create a blog post cover image for my blog post. So as you can see, it's creating that cover image, and Nano is actually pretty fast. So let's give it a couple of seconds here and we should get back our image. So again, as you can see here, we got the image pretty quickly. Let's go ahead and take a look at the image. Yeah, it looks great. I did tell it to do it in landscape mode and it did not, but that's okay. But overall, the image looks pretty decent, not bad by any means. Let's go back over to the article to see if it's finished. As you can see, we can see our sources here, and that's because we use grounding with Google search. So our content will have been searched on Google, and just ensure that our content is a little bit more referenced and it's already researched. So that's why I chose the grounding with Google search. You can choose to have it on or off. So how to make money in 2026, the ultimate guide to AI and passive income. The digital landscape is shifting faster than ever. If you want to know how to make money online, the answer lies in the intersection of human creativity and AI. Pretty cool. So how to make money online, AI automation, digital products, Faceless YouTube channel, print on demand, course creation, consulting, and so on. I would say that this is a pretty decent article. Now I'm interested to see if we can tell it to now create images based on this article. So I'm not sure if we can actually tell it to create images and if it's text and images both in one. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So it was not able to create the actual images, but it did give us the prompts. I'm just very curious. I want to actually generate another image here to see if we can generate some pretty good images with Nano. Here is the second image in which we were able to generate. And again, pretty decent image, not bad at all. Now, if you didn't know, you can actually use Google's AI Studio in WordRocket. So if you head over to WordRocket, over to settings, API keys, you can actually enter in your Google Gemini API key. And if you head back over to aistudio.google.com, on the left-hand side, we have get API key. We can actually create a new API key, copy over that API key, and put it into WordRocket. And when we're generating content, we just select the model, which is Gemini 2.5 Flash, free Google AI model. And we can actually generate content for completely free using WordRocket. And that content will actually include images as well. While this was decent, I would say, giving us output, it wasn't as long as in depth and as SEO optimized I would like it to be. But if you actually take a look at the articles that we get back using Gemini 2.5 Flash from WordRocket, as you can see, they're in depth. They have tables, they have lists, they're SEO optimized, they can include internal links. This article is well over 2,500 words. And they also have custom images embedded within the articles. Your articles will be SEO optimized, internally linked, and have custom images all baked in for completely free using Google's Gemini API key, because we are using the free version of Gemini. So you literally pay $0. You can actually use WordRocket for completely free on the free plan, and you can generate images internally linked SEO optimized articles. If you want to try it out for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. But that's a quick rundown of using the Google's AI Studio. These are some of the cooler features that I like. If you head over to Home, you can see that there's some other features here, such as the text-to-speech with Gemini or VO 3.1, which allows you to generate videos from text inputs. So if you're looking for free tools to start writing, optimizing, and ranking your blog posts, it's a good place to start, but I would definitely recommend using WordRocket because, again, you can use it for completely free. You can get the free plan for WordRocket, $0. You can get your Google's API key for $0, enter it in, and start generating content that's way, way better on WordRocket. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.